Chat GPT may charge $42 a month for a paid tier as Microsoft invests again. $42 a month. They're like, our stuff is so good. It is so good
to cheat
and
now.
so useful that here's what we can charge for it.
Yeah.
So apparently, Chat GPT may become a paid service and not a cheap one either. If you know how to use it well, it will change the way you work, but it will come at a cost.
Damn, that is a type of confidence you can't even deal with. What do you pay $42 a month for? Almost nothing. Almost nothing is coming in that heavy. And why you think Microsoft keeps throwing billions at it?
Nothing is confirmed as of yet. They just know that they can potentially sell the ChatGPT service to around $42 a month.
You have to imagine just what we've seen to this point, the amount of progress we've seen to this point. It certainly feels like there's some money to be made.
Mm-hmm.
I think you could agree to that.
Yeah.
Certainly, there's a lot of money to be made, and there are already people who are making money now using it.
And people are talking about writing entire articles and research and legal defenses and using this style of AI. So the number of products that could be derived from something like this, you can't even begin to fathom.
We have endless possibilities, and it's just the beginning. ChatGPT currently knows everything on the web till 2021. It's still in its learning phase.
A tremendous data set and a tremendous ability to deliver on that data set with context and in a conversational manner. That's every business ever. That's all the entire services industry. That's like, so Microsoft is like, what do you want? 5 billion, 10 billion, 50 billion? What do you want?
No wonder Microsoft is chasing ChatGPT. They want to be at the forefront of the market in this new leading sector.
And they're sitting there.
$42 a month
Well, to the customer.
at this point.
They're like to the customer because, and then Microsoft said, that's why Microsoft is doing what they're doing is because they're seeing business opportunity. Obviously, they're a business.
So what they're saying is that they possibly can charge $500 a year to use the service ChatGPT.
Here's how this article opens, by the way. Write an Excel formula to copy the value from a cell whose row begins with a cell marked banana and a column with a cell containing the word dog. And then it goes off and does it. This is Minority Report stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, so it's capable of doing Excel sheets, coding, and many more. Even scripts on YouTube, guys. So endless possibilities.
Will's going to be like, I have 27 clips that need to be titled, ranging in topics from da-da-da to da-da-da. Please go ahead and title those clips, ensure there is no copyright infringement, and publish those clips at a schedule ranging from 7 a.m. on this date to 7 p.m. on that date.
So after seeing this video, what do you think about ChatGPT? Will you be paying the $42 a month if it were to come to a paid service? Personally, I don't think so at the moment, but that's just because I don't use it as much. So anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.